Exercise 4E homework question. Simplify first one. X plus 6 into x plus 4 into x minus 2. Exercise 4E. Simplify first one. X plus 6 into x plus 4 into x minus 2. So first we will do this one, no, these two. So it will be what? X square, tell me, x square plus
4x plus
6x
24.
24 into what? We have to do with this x minus 2 also.
X minus 2.
Then tell me.
x cube minus
X cube minus 2x
2x
square
square plus 10x
plus
square.
10x square
Oh,
minus
okay. Before changing the bracket, okay. You add that. So before changing the brackets, you can add. So x square plus 10x plus 24
Plus 24.
into x minus 2. Okay. Then x cube.
X cube plus
cube
Is it
plus
cube plus
minus
minus
cube minus 2x
minus
square.
2x square
plus 10x
plus
square
10x square
Minus
28
20x
20x
plus
plus
24x
plus 24x
minus 48
minus 48.
minus 48. Okay. Then x cube square term
plus
Cube minus 8x square
plus 6x
plus
square
8x
plus 4x
4x minus 48
minus 48.
minus
plus
40.
48.
So that is the final answer. Okay. So it is correct. Put a tick mark. Others correct it.
Yes, correct.
Tick mark with your pencil. For our satisfaction, I am saying this. That much we studied for your satisfaction. So next year, if you look into that, means you will get a satisfaction. Oh, this is correct. No, I do it myself. So we will get a satisfaction. So second one, x minus 6. Use pencil only for correcting. Minus 6 into x minus 4 into x plus 2.
X square minus
4x minus
minus
plus
6x plus 24 plus 24
Minus 66x plus 6 4s are 24 into x plus 2. Then add x square minus 4x minus 6x is
minus 10x
minus
then changing x cube
plus 2
plus 2x square.
plus
Then
10x square
20x minus
10x
square minus 20x
plus 24x
plus 24x
plus 48
48 x cube. This will be
minus 8x square.
one sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. The next same concept we are arranging plus 4
4x
plus 4
4x plus 48.
plus 48. Okay. The next question. X minus 6, x minus 4, x minus 2. Then x square minus 4x minus 6x plus 24. X minus 2. X square minus 10x plus 24 into x minus 2. Isn't it? X cube minus 2x square. Then minus 10x square plus 20x plus 24x minus 48. Any doubt in this? Check your book. Correct now.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then fourth question. x plus 6 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. X square minus 4x plus 6x minus 24 into x minus 2. X square plus 2x minus 24 into x minus 2. Again, x cube minus 2x square, then plus 2x square minus 4x minus 24 plus 48. So it will be negative 2x square, positive 2x square cancel, no? X cube minus 28x. Is that correct or wrong? Or I made a mistake? Check it.
Correct, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am.
Then simplify. Second one, simplify. A plus b, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. No. That way we have to do. Got that second one? Which one doubt? Second?
Got, ma'am.
Second. Someone asked me no doubt. Second, which is it? Second set which was to doubt.
Second set. Ma'am, second.
Second? Second one.
And second set doubt.
Second set doubt. Okay. So second set simplify using following identity. That is, we studied a cube plus b cube formula. Last formula we studied a plus b into what? A square. Tell me, minus ab plus b square.
Say.
And a cube minus b cube is what?
A plus
A
B.
minus, no. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. If it is minus, here also minus. If it is plus, here also plus. A square plus ab plus b square is the formula. So what is our question? Second, first one. 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube. So this will be what?
2x plus 2x cube plus
2x the
3y
whole
cube.
cube plus 3y the whole cube. That is 2 cube. 8 x cube plus 27 y cube. That is answer now.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood how to do?
Yes.
Any doubt? Then next. Anyone is writing? Or to wait?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Wait. This is in the form of this one. A cube plus b cube. Here a stands for 2x and b stands for 3y. Completed. Then second question. 3x minus 5 by x into 9x square plus 15 plus 25 by x square. So same way. Tell me. This is in the form
A
of
cube.
a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube. 3x the whole cube minus 5 by x the whole cube. Here a stands for 3x and b stands for what? 5 by x. So 27x cube minus 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125 divided by x cube. Any doubt in this?
Not, ma'am.
The next third question.
Third one.
Second, third question. A by 3 minus 3b into a square by 9 plus ab plus 9b square. So this is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That is a cube minus b cube. That is a by 3 the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube. Here a is equal to a by 3 and b is equal to 3b. So a cube by 27. 3 cube 27 minus 3 cube 27 b cube. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Next step. 104. 104 cube means we can multiply that now, but using identity. Using identity means usually 104 cube means what we will do 104 into 104 into 104. That answer we will get. But use identity to find out this. That means if you are using
100 plus
identity, it will be easy.
100 plus 4 whole cube plus
100
cube.
plus 100 square and cube, we can do it easily. That's why. So 104 cube means 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 the whole cube. That means what? A plus b whole cube. A cube plus. Here a is equal to what? 100 and b is equal to 4. So a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So tell me 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square plus into 4 plus 3a means 100 into b square means 4 square plus 4 cube. So 100 cube means how can we write 100 cube? 100 into 100 into 100. Do we want to multiply that? Okay.
0, 0, 3.
100 into 100 into 100. So we will multiply that 2, 2, 2. How many zeros are there?
6 zeros.
6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Plus
Yes, ma'am.
4 into 3 is what? 12. Then 100 square means 100
4 zeros.
2 zeros. Then 100 square means again 2 more zeros. So total how many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay. Then next is what? 4 square. 4 square is 16. That you do in the working column. 4 square 16 into 3. 48. Plus 48. Then 2 zeros. Plus 4 fours are 16. 16 into 4. 64.
64.
Answer. If we add that.
1
Anyone have any doubt in this addition? How that place values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So from one place you have to write. Any doubt? Please raise your hands. Addition. If needed, explanation. No need, no. So what will be the final answer?
Which
No need, ma'am. 2, 6, 4.
Hmm?
two, 4.
1, 1, 2, 4.
24%. 864.
864. 864.
864. Okay. Then 97 cube. Second one is 97 cube.
Minus 3 whole cube.
That is
100 minus 3 whole cube.
100 minus 97. 100 minus 3. Second question, 97 cube. That is 100 minus 3 the whole cube. This is in the form of a minus b whole cube. A is equal to 100, b is equal to 3. A minus b whole cube is equal to what? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So it will be 100 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 3 square minus 3 cube. So 100 cube, directly you can write now. How many zeros will be there? 100 cube means
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Minus 3 into 3, 9. 100 square means 4 zeros.
90,000.
90,000.
Okay. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 2 zeros. Minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So better if you add this together means add this together. And if two signs are negative, we will add. No. So which way is better? Subtracting, then adding, again subtracting. So it is difficult. So better you add this. So it will be what? 0, 0, 7, 2. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 2,
0, 0,
0, 2.
0, 0.
If we add this 2. Then if two signs are negative, what we will do? If two signs
To
are
add and
add and put negative sign.
add
So negative sign we will add means what? Two signs.
9,027. 90,027.
90,000.
90,027. 90,027. Then it will be easy for us to subtract. So 100, 2700 minus 90027. So borrowing
9 lakh.
it will be 10 minus 7, 3. Here 9. Isn't it? Again 9 minus 2, 7. So we borrow this, so it becomes 6. 2 minus 0, 2. Then again it will become
10
10
minus
9, 1.
1.
Here it becomes 9. We took that, so it is
9
0.
73.
We are fighting that. So it will be 9, 1, 2, 6, 7, 3. Is that the answer? 9, 1, 2, 6, 7, 3. Okay. One is writing. Fourth video is there, no? Fourth one.
Ma'am,
Yes,
fifth one.
Okay, fifth one I want to do. Fourth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. You have 10 we have done in the class last day. 10 and 11 we have done, no? Last day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So fifth one we have to do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth, first one. Evaluate 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. So how many times the 0.8? 3 are there. So we can write 0.8 the whole cube plus 0.8 divided 0.8 the whole square minus 0.8 into 0.5 then plus 0.5 the whole square. So we know this is in the form of a cube plus this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So how can we write a plus b into a cube plus b cube identity we studied a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A stands for 0.8 and b stands for here 0.5. So how can we write?
0.8 plus 0.5.
Plus 0.5 into
0.8. 8
Yes.
minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 whole square.
whole square divided by 0.8 denominator same 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 the whole square. Okay, so this one
Cancel.
I'm writing in square bracket. So square bracket full we can cancel. Same value only. So we will get it as 0.8 plus 0.5 is equal to what? 1.3. 1.3. Okay. The next question. Second one.
Not clear down.
Down. Glare, no? Sunlight. Now it's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
No clear, no? But okay. Cancellation then 0.8 plus 0.5 now, which is equal to 0.8 plus 0.5, which is equal to 1.3. Up to this, you can see, no? Down that part only it is difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
This part only difficult for you, no? So up to that only you will write. Completed? The next question.
Yes, ma'am.
1.2. Two into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Okay, 1.2 whole square plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 the whole square divided by
1.2 whole cube
minus
minus 0.3 whole cube.
whole cube. So denominator we want to change in this question. So this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, that is a is equal to 1.2, b is equal to 0.3. This a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So numerator same 1.2 whole square plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 the whole square divided by what we can write 1.2 minus 0.3 into 1.2 a square plus AB 1.2 into 0.3 AB plus B square 0.3 the whole square.
And cancel.
So this full and cancel. So it will be 1 divided by 1.2 minus 0.3. 1.2 minus 0.3. This answer. 1 divided by answer
0.9.
0.9. Okay. 0.9. So denominator we got 0.9. So next step what we can write. Now we got
10 by 9.
1 divided by 0.9. So better
Into 10.
instead of by, you write it as 1 division symbol. 1 divided by 0.9. So how can we write that decimal into fraction 0.9? 1 decimal place means? Don't know.
10.
10.
Divided by 10. 0.2 means what? 2 by 10. Understood? This is very important for physics. Physics. 0.2. 0.3 is equal to what?
3 by 10.
0.35 is equal to? 0.35 is equal to?
by 10.
35 by? No. 35 by?
35 by 100.
100. 2
100.
places means divided by 100. So 0.9. 0.9 means how can we write it is 9 by 10.
10.
So wherever we see this division symbol, we will change it into multiplication. So how can we write this 1? If you are changing the division to multiplication, reciprocal we have to say
10 by 9.
10 by 9. 10 by 9 is what? 1 into 10 by 9 is 10 by 9. So convert that into mixed fraction. It will be 1 by 9. Either you can write 10 by 9 or 1 by 9. Both are correct. 10 by 9. Depending upon your text back answer, you follow. What is your text back answer? 10 by 9 or 1 by 9? It will be 1 by 9, no? Usually we are converting that improper fraction into mixed fraction. Usually we are doing that. Okay. So remaining 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have that already. Just watch the video. The next 10 and 11 already we have done previous class. Okay. So fourth chapter completed.